Now, good morning, my dear students. Now, today I will tell you exercise 3.3, 3.6 of chapter 3rd, subtraction of class 3rd. Now, the first question is there are 67 people in a bus. At the first stop, 12 people are boarded. At the next stop, 9 people got off the bus. How many people were still there in the bus? So, total number of people in a bus equals 67 people. At the first stoppage, 12 people are boarded. So, total number of people equal 12 plus 67 equals 79 people. 79 people. After first stoppage, at second next stoppage, 9 people got off the bus. Got off the bus. So still there in the bus, number of people who is still in the bus. So 79 minus 9, 9 people got off the bus. So 79 minus 9 equals 70 people are still in the bus. So this is your answer, dear students. Now the next question number second. There are 90 books on a bookshelf. Anu put 9 more books there and then take away 14 books. How many books are left on the shelves now? So there are 90 books on a bookshelf. So Anu put 9 more books. So total number of books equal 90 plus 9 equal 99 books. So after some time she take away 14 books. So the number of books are left in the bookshelf. So 99 minus 14 equal 85 books are left in the bookshelf. Now this question is completed, dear students. Question number 3rd. Now, dear students, question number 3rd. There are 35 cars parked in a parking lot. 16 more cars came in the morning. If there in the space for a total of 70 cars in the parking lot, how many more cars can be parked? So there are 35 cars in the park. So 16 more cars came. So total number of cars equal total number of cars equal 35 plus 16 equal 51 cars. Equal 51 cars. So if there is the space of a total car is 70, means the parking of cars, the total number of how many cars can be parked? Total number 70 cars can be parked. So more, how much, the question how many more car can be parked though? So more car can be parked equal 70 minus 51 equal 19 car. Means 19 cars can be parked more. So question number 4. For painting a fence, Tom bought 2 buckets of paint with 100 liters and 50 liters. He used 125 liters of paint to paint the fence. How much paint is left? So for painting a fence, Tom bought 2 buckets. First bucket is 100 liters and second bucket is 50 liters. So total paint, he bought total paint equal 100 plus 50 equal 150 liters paint. So he used 125 liter. So unused paint. So paint is left. How much paint is left? So paint is left 150 minus 125 equal 25 liters of paint is left. So dear students, this exercise is completed and this chapter is also completed. Now the exercise 4.1. Now, dear students, now today I will start the chapter 4, and chapter 4 is multiplication. And chapter 4 is the multiplication. Multiplication, in this chapter I will tell you multiplications, factors and products. So the number that are multiplied are called factor, and the result of multiplication is called is the products. For example, 2 into 4 equal 8. 2 multiplied by 4 equal 8. We do the multiply 2 and 4, and the product is 8. The 8 is the product, but 2 and 4 is the factor of 8. 2 and 4 is the factor of 8, and 8 is the product of 2 and 4, and 8 is the also multiple of 2 and 4. 2 4 is 8, just like 2 into 3 into 4. 3 2 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So here 24 is the product and multiples, but 2, 3 and 4 is the factor of 24. Means 2, 3 and 4 is the factor of 24. Here some questions are given. Find question number first. Find the missing factor using the multiplication table. Here 5 multiplied by dash equal 30. So we write here 5 6 is 30. 8 4 is 32. 9 2 is 18. 8 6 is 48. 8 5 is 40. Now this type. So this first question is, dear students, completed. Now the next question, fill in the blanks. When we do the multiply. Now look at here. When we do multiply by any number, suppose 8. If we multiply by 8 by 1, your answer is itself, means 8. When we do the multiply by 1, so your number is, answer is always itself, means 8. When we do the multiply by 0, your answer is always 0. When we do the multiply by 0, your answer is always 0. Here answer is 11 and number is 11. So we do the multiply by 1. Here 11 1 is 11. 3 multiplied by 0 equal 0. Here your answer is 0. Means both number 25 and second number is not given here. So second number is 0, because your answer is 0. When we multiply by 0, then your answer is 0. So we write here 0. Here 1. Answer is 14. So what number we write here? We write here 14, because 14, when we do the multiply by 1, then number is itself. So 14 here, so we write here 14. And here answer is 0, so we write here 0. And here 4 2 is 8. Here left after equal, this side is right hand side and this side is left hand side. Here 2 here and 2 here. And here 4 is not here. So we write here 4. And 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8. And left hand side and right hand side is equal. So we write here 4. Now this exercise is also completed. Now the next exercise, exercise 4.2. Now dear students, exercise 4.2. Next time I will tell you exercise 4.2, and today 4.1 and 3.6 exercises completed, dear students. So dear students, thank you so much.